How to import wallet using private key on SafePal. Are you facing issues to import wallet using private key on SafePal? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To import a wallet using private key, open the SafePal application on your mobile device. Once you open the app, now tap Software Wallet. After you click on Software Wallet, then select Import Wallet. Choose the option to import by private key. Carefully enter your private key string. Make sure there are no extra spaces or mistakes. Set a new wallet name and create a strong password to secure it. Tap Confirm, and your wallet with all its assets will be ported instantly. Remember, keep your private key, never share it with anyone or store it digitally in a secure place. And if you are not sure how to complete any of these steps, make sure to check out our other videos on this channel for full guidance. And that's it guys, that's how you can import wallet using private key on SafePal.